Let's see how to make a homemade healthy chia pudding. In a medium size bowl, combine the chia seeds, milk, and your choice of sweetener. You can use any kind of milk, whatever you like. You may use coconut milk, almond milk, and a normal milk. It's up to you. And you can also switch the sweetener. I'm using the brown sugar. You can use maple syrup, you can use honey. It's really up to you. You can add vanilla extract to enhance the flavor, but I'm using a bananas to enhance the flavor. Now mix everything together until well combined. Now cover the bowl and leave it at least for 2 hours. After 2 hours, stir it well. It should have thickened up and have a consistency similar to tapioca pudding. If the pudding is too thick, you can add a little bit more milk to thin it out. Otherwise, you can add your choice of fruits in it and you can enjoy it whatever you like. I mean, strawberries, berries, banana, apples. It's really up to you. It is very, very delicious pudding and it is very, very helpful for your digestion.